Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've got interesting gist for you from the Ultimate Love Show. Top 5 most talked about female love girls. See the compilations. Ultimate Love Season 1 was the debut season of the reality show Ultimate Love. The ultimate prize is finding love, and if the ultimate couple decide to get married, they will win a lavish, all expenses paid wedding and a fully furnished home. The winning couple of Ultimate Love Season 1 reality show will also get a cash prize of 5 million after being married for a year. The show was made up of beautiful and handsome young men that cut across all walks of life. So we are going to be looking at the top 5 most talked about female love girls of the show. The show had beautiful and stunning ladies, but after the show, the top 5 ladies that would be listed below have been making headlines on social media lately, and we have deemed it fit to let you all know the top 5 ladies making headlines. So here's the list of the most talked about female love girls of the just concluded maiden show tagged Ultimate Love. Number 1 on the list is Rosie. Rosie Afuape, simply known as Rosie, was one of the female love girls of the Ultimate Love show. She is a mother, a teacher by profession, and was the co-winner alongside her partner Kachi. Rosie has been making headlines, and fans can't seem to get her name off their mouth as she keeps making headlines, giving fans something to talk about. Earlier this week, Rosie celebrated her partner, and indeed fans really showed her what it is to be a queen. She received a brand new car courtesy of Rocknation. Signing her latest endorsement deal made her to be the most talked about female love girls than her peers. She is engaged to Kachi. The second person on the list is Teresa. Dr. Iykeresa, simply referred to as Teresa, was one of the females of the first maiden love show tag Ultimate Love. Teresa is a doctor by profession. She was the first runner-up alongside her partner Ike. Despite not having any endorsement, Teresa never ceased to give fans and family something to talk about. Celebrating her birthday made her the center of attraction as their fan base and fiancé Ike Nama surprised her with tons of gifts and birthday wishes. She's currently engaged to Ike. Number 3, we have Chris. Chris Ada, simply known as Chris, was one of the female featured in the debut of the first maiden show tag Ultimate Love. She was paired with Chris Ville and together were known as Double Chris. As they emerged the third runner-up, Chris is a brand architect and a voice-over artist. There isn't a single day Chris doesn't give fans something to chew on. Recently, she revealed to her fans and followers a new project, soon to be released, and this made her fan base increase the more. She's engaged to her love partner Chris Ville. Number 4, we have Bolanle. Bolanle Oluchi Babalola, simply known as Bolanle, was one of the ladies who put in for the maiden show tag Ultimate Love. She was paired with Arnold with a couple named Bola. They came out as the second runner-up of the show. No one believed their love would grow up to date. But after leaving the show, Henry, Arnold, and Bolanle have never ceased to shake the internet with their day-to-day activities. Bolanle is a program manager by profession. She's engaged to love of her life, Henry Arnold. Number 5, we have Presh Talker. Presh Talker, as her name implies, was one of the ex-housemates of the just concluded love show Ultimate Love. She was paired with David Wilson and were both known as Presh David. Presh Talker and David Wilson were evicted weeks before the grand finale, thus didn't make it up to the top 5. However, Presh Talker have been dishing out to fans something to talk about. So guys, there you have it, your top 5 most talked about female love girls. Who do you think should have made the list? Kindly leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Alright, moving on. You learn more from failure than success, Rosie says as she shares new photos. Life, they said, is like a textbook full of many chapters and pages. When life gets to your chapter, it will surely change everything your life for good. From the look of things, life is already at the chapter of ex-housemate of ultimate love Rosie, as everything about her is changing for the best. Ranging from all she has been through for years now, reality of life has grown all her failures with success, making her one of the most talked about woman on social media. Just few moments ago, the beautiful lady took to her Instagram account and shared a photo where she was seen flaunting her beauty that attracted her boyfriend Kachi to her side. Sharing the new photo, Rosie made her fans to understand that human beings learn more from failure rather than from success. She advised them not to let their failures in whatever they do in life to stop them from achieving their goals. The beautiful damsel also suggests to her fans to allow their vision pull them to success, for them to keep soaring daily. Rosie for the past few days have been trending endlessly on social media as people are still celebrating her daily, even when her birthday celebration is over. Her attitude, character, and the way she carries herself has opened doors for her, and she is now richly blessed. Rosie's character has proved that to be humble and focused is the key for success. Indeed, Rosie is blessed. I don't know about you. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Yeah, still on the ultimate love star Bolanle revealed what God has done for her. She said, "God has smiled on me," Bolanle says as she shares new photo of herself. Bolanle Oluchi Babalola, popularly known as Bolanle, was a housemate in the just concluded reality TV show Ultimate Love. Bolanle is the media presenter from Ondo State who was paired in the reality show with Henry Arnold to win the ultimate prize. Although they emerged second runner-up in the show, she and her partner have continued their love story since leaving the show. The reality star, who is known on Instagram as Official Bolanle Babs, took to her page to share a beautiful photo of herself along with some words of wisdom. In the photo she shared, Bolanle was spotted wearing a beautiful flowery gown flaunting her brown skin. This is the photo she shared. Sharing the photo, she wrote, "God has smiled on me. All I'm doing is to reflect." Fans of the reality TV show have since taken to a comment section of the post to air their views. Many commented saying she looked beautiful and shined bright like a diamond. In all, her fans agree that she looked ravishing in the photo as seen in the screenshot of the comment section. So what are your thoughts, guys? If you're a true fan of Ultimate Love Bula, kindly leave a message in the section. Moving on, Nigerians have reacted to the lovely new photo shared by Ultimate Love Teresa, the young doctor by profession who recently celebrated her 24th birthday. Took to a micro social blogging platform via Instagram to share lovely new photos to her fans and followers. Captioning the photo, she wrote, "A SARS a day keeps the bases away." The photo she shared attracted a lot of comments as fans aired their view. A user identified as FM Marvin tagged her as the boss and the best. What do you have to say about the photo Teresa shared? Kindly leave a comment in the section. Okay guys, Ultimate Love, Ike, Teresa's partner, also shared lovely new photos earlier today. Ike took to his official Instagram handle to share a stunning photo in front of his fans and followers. He was seen wearing a black t-shirt with a black jeans. Captioning the photos, he wrote, "Whatever is beautiful, whatever is meaningful, whatever brings you joy, may it be yours today and forever. Happy Eid Mubarak." Fans and followers sent their lovely messages across to his comment section. A fan left a comment saying, "I want to lick my screen, but I won't because it's a holy day." Others said he looked handsome as seen in the comment section. Okay, guys, this is the update I have for you on Ultimate Love. I hope you enjoyed it. Please stay tuned to my channel. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drop.